The West Village of Shirlington, that's right, this is where you want to own your next condo. And we're here at the clubhouse where it has an exercise room, business center, and take a look behind me. Look at this amazing pool where you can spend every summer. Join us today for a private tour of your next condo. 985 square feet in this 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo. And you'll notice the hardwood flooring going all throughout the unit. I love the breakfast bar that you have here, and many condos will have dark kitchens or they'll be tucked away. Look at the natural light that streams through with your 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This is a kitchen you want to not only cook, but also entertain in. Even though this is open concept, you have fully defined areas. Sitting in the living room, which is perfect for movies at night. In addition, there's space for an at-home office and even a dining area. In the primary suite, the hardwood floors continue through, and you have 2 additional windows that really bring in that natural light. I want to show you the true gem of this bedroom. This is not your standard walk-in closet. This is a deep walk-in closet with custom organizers, what every new homeowner wants to call their own. With condo living, not only do you need to focus on what's inside, you need to find a place like this where you have an extended balcony. That's right, a place where you can hear nature, where you can see the sun and really enjoy it. This is an extended balcony. You know, a lot of times when you go to a condo, the balcony is this tight. You can't even fit a chair on it. And with this one, you'll see that you can have multiple items out here on balcony and still feel at ease. And as you listen, you can hear the birds chirping. It is rare to have this type of location with convenience and nature surrounding you. You can have it all with a luxury condo in South Arlington with quick access to 395 and all the shopping and restaurants you could want.